Welcome to our comparison of the AGLUCKY and DUMOS ice makers. In today's video, we will dive deep into the features and performance of these two popular countertop ice machines. Both models promise to deliver fresh ice quickly and efficiently, but which one truly stands out? Let's find out! When it comes to pricing, the AGLUCKY ice maker is priced at $119, while the DUMOS model is more budget-friendly at $69. This significant price difference may influence your decision, especially if you're looking for a cost-effective solution for your ice-making needs. Both the AGLUCKY and DUMOS ice makers boast an impressive ice production capacity of 26 pounds per day. They can produce 9 bullet ice cubes in just 6 minutes, making them ideal for parties or gatherings where ice is needed quickly. However, the AGLUCKY model claims a slightly slower production time, which could be a consideration for some users. One of the standout features of the AGLUCKY ice maker is its transparent top, allowing users to see the ice-making process. In contrast, the DUMOS model is designed for quiet operation, making it a great choice for those who want to enjoy their ice without the noise. Both models also come with a self-cleaning function, which adds to their convenience. In conclusion, both the AGLUCKY and DUMOS ice makers offer excellent features and performance for their respective price points. If you prioritize a transparent design and don't mind spending a bit more, the AGLUCKY might be the right choice for you. However, if you're looking for a quieter operation at a lower price, the DUMOS could be the better option. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.